Hello everyone, welcome back to Rashtech. In this video, I'll show you how can you create your office mail ID. So basically, if you want to register your mail like your name at your company name.com, so I will guide how can do that. First of all, you need to register your domain in GoDaddy or other domain controller. Then second step, you need to register that domain into email provider. So in our case, we will register in Office 365 Exchange. So now we will see in practical how can we do that. So let's jump the system and check all steps. So right now you are able to see my screen. So there you can check I already registered, but right now I will guide you how can you do that yourself. So I'm opening one private mode and open google.com. So first of all you need to go GoDaddy. Okay. So in GoDaddy you have to register your domain. Okay. So I already registered, but if you want to register, there are multiple videos in YouTube. You can easily check and watch. Register the domain. Like suppose I want to enter my channel name rastechtutorial.com. So there will be showing the data. Yeah, rastechtutorial.com is available. So mark it yours. One is raster tutorial, so you can just easily next and enter your first of all your mail ID and you have to pay the amount, then it will be registered. So it's not the too much tough. So after registration your domain, then again open google.com and enter office 365 subscription. Okay. So compare Microsoft 360 subscription, log in the URL. So just cross it. For business, there is individual or business. So click on business. One is the business premium, another is business standard, and another is basic. So for the 30 days trial, just click on try for free. So it will be also freely you can use for 1 month. Yeah, so just click next, enter your email ID. Okay, so it will be next and register the domain. So after registration you will be see, yeah, this type of portal you will be entered, and then you have to connect your domain. Okay, so how can you do that? Just go to setting and go to domain. In first time you will be see only this type of name .microsoft on microsoft.com. okay, then you have to add your domain, like add domain, and now you have to enter your domain name. Just click on use domain and it will be connected through GoDaddy in next step. So suppose if I'm enter rastechtutorial.com and use domain, yeah, it will be asked for the verification domain. Okay, or just verify your domain. So if you getting any issue, you can connect me, I will help on that. So after registration you will be find this type of page, and I will show you how can create the mail ID. Suppose after registration, first you have to register domain in GoDaddy, second register in this portal, anywhere you getting error, connect me, I will help on that. Then add user. In that place, first name you have to like, if I'm consider the name, like if you're in the employee name Rajiv Roy, okay, so first name would be Rajiv, last name Roy, and display name is showing that, okay, and username all are small, Rajiv dot Roy, okay. Then create automatic password, require the password, and you will be show the your company name domain. Then click on next, click on your license, then click the next. Then if you want to more details like job title, department, you just fill this form. For a professional you have to enter, like if you are India, then click the India and fill the all document. Like in job title you can like SR administrator, senior administrator, department IT, network, office mobile number, you just enter the number and finish. So mail ID created, and so if you log in, you can log in. I'm just reset the password again because I did not know, so just reset password. I'm not just setting one password. Reset. So if I'm open the private mode, mail ID, login, dot in, then password, so it will open. Click in Outlook. Yeah, mail ID is open. Okay, just send a test mail. Sorry. And test subject and test. Okay, I'm sending the mail ID. Now I checked my mobile, it's came or not. Yeah, it's received. You can see it's received. Sorry. Yeah, Rajiv Roy test. So basically in this process you can create your mail ID. So if you want to delete, don't worry, just click that mail ID and delete user and delete. License is removed and mail ID also removed. So in this video I will share you how can create the mail ID. So if any place you getting issue, connect me. I will in description I will share my details like mail ID and WhatsApp number. So connect me, I will help on that.